I've got the engine started up, programmed to my Bluetooth universal remote. Since I don't have any base 3 yet, it hasn't come through. One thing I did notice, this little part right here. Instruction manual doesn't say where to put it, but it looks like it goes right here. So we'll try to get that in there without destroying everything. Why is it not sticking in? Okay. I will say trying to get all 24 wheels on the track of the big boy was kind of tedious. I did notice with my single little transformer that I had to turn off the smoke and the pop off smokes because it would overload the transformer. So once I got one hot, I turned it on and turned on the pop off speed and turned off the blow down in sequence. Items to look at as you drive forward here. You have a drop plate at the tender. So you got to put the drop plate up and when you drop the tender in. And then it was easy to program. You just go ahead and I turned off all the other, it took the engines off the track, came in here and hit the number 2. It automatically linked up to control with the universal controller. Let's run it around the track and see how it looks. Produces a good amount of smoke. I am kind of disappointed that after spending so much money, though, it didn't come with a can of smoke. I need to write to Lionel about that. It does have a pretty good overhang on the articulated. So if this was up against the wall, you may have a little bit of dragging issues. So I got to take that into account. It is running on an 084 curve. The next curve in is 72, 60, 54, and or 60, 48, and 36. Get down to the ground level, track level. does have momentum, so it takes a little bit for it to shut down. And back up. Notice the light head, the tender light turns on. And then when you go forward again, the headlamp switch is over. I don't think I got this shroud in the right spot. It's supposed to seal up better than that, I believe. And you see the pop-off valve. And one thing this does have down here is the coupler review. You've got to get your fingers in there to slide that out. It's got the scale coupler attached. Get the standard coupler on there. Probably will do that in a later date. All in all, proud of the purchase. Glad I spent the money. I suggest you get one too. Train World, Legacy Station. Those are the two that I normally use to procure my stock from. And hopefully you do the same. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.